Hello, hello. So the last two sessions, we talk about the GDL driving license program in Alberta, Canada, and the second session, and we covered some points about the Class 7 knowledge test. Today, and we're going to learn more about the Class 7 knowledge test, which are the traffic signs, signals, and marks. And before we start, and I want to make this clear, I'm not anyone official. I'm not an examiner, and I'm just a learner, and same as you, to prepare the class 7 learning. Okay, so if there are anything not correct, not accurate, and please and leave a message, and you can correct me, or we can also have a discussion below, and they are all welcomed. Unfortunately, and I cannot be responsible for any inaccurate or misleading information in this video. I hope you can understand. All right, and I hope this first. I hope it can help me to remember the knowledge, and the second, and I hope it can help you to as listening resources. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, the first we talk about the traffic lights, the red, yellow, and the green. This is three solid lights, and also the flashing lights. These three colors, and please remember that they can be distinguished by both colors and locations. The red always come the first, and then followed by yellow, and then followed by green. Okay, so you can see the difference by the color and by the location. And there are solid and flashing. For solid, that means red means stop, and yellow that means warning, and then green it means go. So this is I think it's obvious. But for the flashing, it comes a bit tricky. For the flashing, especially when there's a flashing a green arrow, and you need to follow that green arrow, and without yielding to other traffic, except pedestrians or bikes. And the other sense is like when they are flashing, normally it means first the current status is going to change very soon, and the second is you need to be careful. So I think that's it. These are for the traffic lights. And after that, let me see. And we have the pedestrian signals and signs. Yeah, this has to be watched out very carefully as a driver, and also as pedestrians, and also needs to watch out for vehicles before the crossing. And this is very important. As a pedestrian, and please do not use a phone, or do not have something complicated in your mind. So when you are crossing the street, so this is quite an experience. Actually, it happens to me myself. Okay, and when you walk, just enjoy the walking. Don't look at something else while you are walking, and also don't have something complicated in your mind while you are working. Okay, the number third, there is there are numerous shapes for different purpose, and but for different colors, like for permit, it's always green, and for not permitted, it's always red, and for warning, and it is always yellow. And then there's two special colors. One is a yellow, fluorescent yellow green. So that's for school zone. And then another one is the orange. That's for construction. And there are many different shapes, and to give different meanings. And this, I think you can have all of them, and on a guidebook, the driver's guidebook, which can be downloaded from the Alberta government site. Remember, you need to get the latest one. The oldest one, and they are marked on each page. I think that can be quite easily to find out. Okay, so there are a few major regulatory signs like a stop, yield, runway, and not enter, and these are also covered. And here I want to especially talk about the school and the playground zones and the signs. The school sign school sign I just mentioned is they have a special. It's a fluorescent yellow green background with a teacher and a student. So this signal is for school zones. And when you see this sign, so that means and you enter a school zone. So you need to be careful. The first is you need to slow down the speed. When there is a speed limit beside the school sign, you need to follow that. If there's no sign, you need to watch out. And normally it's below 30 kilograms per hour. The maximum is 50, but I don't think you can ever go to 50. So this is the first need to do when you enter a school zone. It's slow down and slow down the speed to under 30. So this is the first one. The second is you cannot pass. You cannot pass another vehicle that is driving in the same direction, or attempt to pass that vehicle in front of you. So this is not permitted. So this is the second. And the third one for the school zone, and you need to pay attention about the time. It's like normally it's like morning, noon, and the afternoon when the school finished. So at this time, different places and they may have different times. Normally it's marked on the school sign. If it's not marked, and normally it's like from 3:30 in the morning to 9:30. That's in the morning. The noon time is around 12 o'clock. Then from 3 to 4:30 in the afternoon. That's for the school time, time. So, but for the playground, the time is 8:30 in the morning until 1 hour last after the sunset. So whenever there's a school zone or it's a playground zone, so you have to slow down your speed under 30, and you are not permitted to pass the other vehicle in front of you. Okay, so these are the two special things I want to mention here. Okay, so I think the last one is there are some markings, the pavement markings, and they are usually white and yellow, and they have solid and broken lines. Just remember that if there are double yellow, there's a double yellow line, which means you cannot pass. But also the single yellow line in most of the places you also cannot pass, except when it's out of the urban area. For the single line, a yellow line you can pass. Okay, so there are some other like the disability signs and also the zebra cross, the crossing signs, and also diamond shaped reserved lane sign, and these are all clearly marked in a driver's handbook. Okay, so you can download that and have more information there, because most of them they're straightforward. No need to talk about it. Okay, so wish you and also wish me good luck for the class 7 test. Thank you very much for watching this quick walkthrough. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.